introduce the Department of the Airline Management. That is the first professional education in Taiwan University. Department of the Airline, every department has their professional classroom. Their professional classroom are located in the first professional building. There are the demo aircraft, but supposed by the China Airline is Boeing 747, and also they have the ground service counter, and they learn how to service customer in the airline company, and they also have a machine to learn how to drive the aircraft. Yeah, and they will try to learn how to service the food and beverage in the airline when they are flying. So this is our Department of the Airline Management. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.